Garvin Industries' new J-style beam clamps are used to secure conduits and cables along the beam edge in any structure. What's unique and innovative about this product is it allows the conduit to be supported either perpendicular or parallel to the beam edge. This is how the product works. Simply loosen the set screw on the top. If you're going to run your conduit parallel to the beam edge, you get it in place, get the conduit to set inside the channel, and then push the edge of the beam clamp over, and you tighten it down with your channel locks or nut driver, and it secures the conduit along the beam edge. Or if you want to run perpendicular to the beam edge, you simply align the conduit the opposite direction, secure that it's in the channel, do the same thing. Tighten the set screw with your channel locks or your nut driver, and now you're running across the beam edge. It's fast, it's easy, it's heavy duty and secure. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.